Hey gang, welcome back to OPA'S Diecast Restorations. Today we're doing the first official build for the Diecast International Builders, or DIBS for short, and the vehicle selected was Surf Wagons. I'm going to start with this 1932 Ford Woody by Maisto. See if we can't make it into a wild surf wagon. By the way, the members of the new group are Matchbox Mark, Don the Diecast Pirate, Cole, is CUDA'S Diecast Customs. We have Peter at PB's Restorations, Ron at SoMo DIECAST, and myself. We took it all apart here, and I'm tapping out the posts, I should say. Putting in our button head screws. Time for our favorite stripper. By the way, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please hit that subscribe button. And all of the Diecast International builders builds each month are all invitational. Any make, any model diecast, or the build. So if you want to join up, more than welcome to have you. And on our old polishing wheel here, cleaning up any residual paint. Makes a nice shine on it and gives it a little tooth for the new paint and primer to stick to better. Spray it with our degreaser after coming out of a hot bath, soapy bath. Then I'll take it in and give it another soapy bath with a soft brush to get off any residual degreaser. Highlighting the base here a little bit, putting some detail in it. Painted the motor also. bottom of the motor. Here's all of our pieces ready for reassembly. This is what we started with, a Maisto 1932 Ford Woody. Really good condition to start with. Almost hated chewing it up. This is what we ended up with. A surf wagon. I redid the paint job on it, detailed the Woody section, got a couple of custom painted surfboards on top, highlighted the headlights with a little yellow, and changed the wheels and tires. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. And remember, the Diecast International Builders, DIBS for short, invite you each month to our invitationals. For now, this is OPA. Make sure you check out the rest of the Diecast International Builders builds. Saying goodbye.